Volunteers from Virginia Tech's Cornerstone alumni organization visited PB Young Elementary to put together snack bags for families to take home. These non-perishable foods were donated by the organization based on what they felt would be most beneficial for children.
We're doing our small part today by packing meals with proteins like peanut butter, tuna. We've also got chicken noodle soup. We're packing in fruit cups, instant oatmeal, and gummy snacks. So this is a nice way that children, when they're home on the weekends or after school, when school's out, can have an easy, nutritious, quick meal that they can prepare.
I think this is an absolutely amazing endeavor on their part. I am so grateful that they thought about our PB Young families. And as you can see, they are busy at work packing bags of goodies and items for our parents to take home. And it's an awesome endeavor.